Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I make this oven-baked stuffed chicken recipe. So let's see what the ingredients will be for this recipe. First, I'm going to start off by making a small amount of green seasoning by using some onion, some garlic, some parsley, as well as some green onion. I have also chopped a small branch of fresh parsley and set it aside. I have 2 chicken breasts that I have soaked in vinegar water and rinsed under cool running water. I'm using the tip of my knife to add small cuts to both of my chicken breasts. I'm also cutting off the extra fat that's around my chicken breast. For my seasoning, I'm lightly sprinkling some seasoning salt to both sides of my chicken breast. I'm lightly sprinkling some dry basil leaves. I'm doing the same with some onion powder. I'm also sprinkling some garlic salt to both sides of my chicken breast. Now I'm rubbing some green seasoning on both sides of my chicken breast. I'm stuffing the small cuts in my chicken breast with some mixed bell peppers and onions. Once I'm done, I'm also stuffing the cuts with my chopped fresh parsley. I'm adding a few extra cuts to the back of my chicken breast, and I'm also stuffing the back of the chicken breast with the mixed bell peppers and onion, as well as the fresh parsley. I have placed my 2 seasoned chicken breasts into a bowl, and I'm going to cover both sides with some balsamic and basil vinaigrette. I'm allowing my chicken breast to marinate for about a minute so that it can infuse all the flavors. Placing my 2 chicken breasts into a baking dish, and I'm going to bake it at 350 for about an hour. I have served my baked chicken with some macaroni and cheese as well as some corn. You can see the vegetables throughout the 2 pieces of chicken breast. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.